everybody, welcome back to these videos. Today we're going to be working with the fraction box here. We're going to be doing some addition of mixed fractions. So when we're going to be adding mixed fractions together, our goal is to get them to be the same family, the same denominator. Remember, our denominator is our number on the bottom of our fraction. So here we have 1/2. Our 1 is the numerator and our 2 is the denominator for our 1/2 fraction. So let's say we have 3/9. 1, 2, 3, and we are going to want to add that to 1/3. Now we need to think about what these two groupings have in common. What can they become? We've worked a lot with reducing of fractions, so we know, or we can test again, does 3/9 equal 1/3? It does. 3/9 equal 1/3. I can put them on the bottom, I can put them on the top. Either way, they come out to the same amount. This means that I can exchange my 3/9 for a 1/3 fraction, or I could exchange my 1/3 fraction for 3/9. But in this, we want to get to have a less amount of pieces. So if I exchanged my 1/3 to 3/9, then I would have 6 pieces, 6/9, right? So I want to exchange my 3/9 to 1/3. Then I'll only have 2 pieces out, and it will be 2/3. So my 3/9 plus my 1/3 gives me 2/3. Okay, we're gonna do another one now. All right. So we're gonna do 1/2 and 5/10. Now, when we were working on reducing fractions, we worked a lot with turning tenths into fifths, right? We know and we have seen that 2/10 can equal 1/5. But I have an odd amount of tenths. I have 5/10. And so I would be able to turn it into 2/5, but I would still have 1/10. So we don't want to have three different families out. We want to try to keep it to 2 families or 1 family in our denominator. So we're going to have to see what else 5/10 can become. Since 2/10 can become 1/5, it can't become 1/4. Doesn't work. Let's see if 3/10 can become 1/3. Nope. Let's see if 4/10 can become 1/2. No, but maybe 5/10 can. Yes, it can. So our 5/10 can become 1/2. So we can exchange all 5 of these tenths for another half. And when we put our halves together, we have a whole. So we want to keep reducing it until we can't reduce it any further. So now we have a whole, so I'm going to exchange those 2 halves for a whole. And then our 1/2 with our 5/10 became 2 halves, which became 1 whole. So that is the answer. So this was just a quick refresher lesson on when we're adding together mixed fractions. So I hope this helped to jog your memory a bit. You can always print out the PDF version of the fraction box. It's in our Google Classroom for you. And please email me if you have any other questions about this material or this lesson. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!